What's going on, guys? Robbie here with Unknown Ventures, and today I have an epic one for you. I am at an abandoned water park. This water park has been out of service for, actually I really don't know how long. I just know it's abandoned and we're gonna check it out. So let's go see. Like there was parking here at some point, and that looks like the entrance. Well, this is an entrance too, but those look like the little booths that you get your tickets from. That was Ricky. With an abandoned place here. Alright, so this is where they have their booths, and I was freaking out for a bit because I heard a dog barking for so long and it just stopped. And the women's restroom is boarded up over there. There's a prop holding it, cement blocks. I'm gonna check that part out last, because if there's anything more freakier than running into a homeless person or some random dude, it's a wild dog face to face. I'm not about to have all that. And oh, okay, so I guess this is where you got all your food and everything. Very cool. All right, let's see. We got little gazebos out here. All right, and here is the slide. We got 1, 2, 3 water slides that go down, and then it has that big old little loop-de slide that goes down, whatever you call that ride, and a pool. I guess it releases you in. Whoa. Oh wow, look, there's fish in it. Little tiny fishies. Yeah, it looks totally destroyed in there. Wow. Super cool. I haven't seen anything like this. Well, this is just falling apart. Just hit the ground hard. The hurricane really did a number over here. Oh, I don't know what those are. Those look like bees. I was gonna go up there, but now that I see, ooh, a lot of bees, let's get out of here. So, following the trail. This bird popped out earlier and scared the crap out of me, because I'm just waiting for something to pop out. It doesn't seem like there was much to it. Pretty simple, not much. It's not very big for a water park. But man, the hurricane really did a number. I mean, look, you have this piece of the water slide that's from over there. Flew all the way over here. You should test out that bridge. I don't know, is that blood? Was there a moita? Alright. Oh shit. I don't know. Should I walk across? It's the only way in. Oh man. Walking over this old bridge. And I made it. Alrighty. Okay, made it, and I made it safe. Alright. So I guess this is the kiddie pool section, obviously. Got all the dinosaurs and turtles and whales and sharks. Kind of makes me want to go swimming. Pool pump stuff, man, it was just right here. I mean, of course it was hidden, but all these walls got torn down by the winds. I can't say it was much of a water park because this place has only got this one little kiddie pool section, the slides over there, and I think there's a pond, and it's got the lazy river. But it's pretty simple. I mean, like I said, it's not much of a place. It's got your little stand. It was cute. It's a good idea. It obviously just didn't work out. Oh man, one of these things fell over. Which one was this? Ooh, it's a big old viper looking snake thing. Creepy. Ahoy, matey. Ahoy. Ahoy. Man, there's little gazebos way out there. But what was going on out there? Everything's just grass, grass, grass. Okay, we're walking across again, and I'm still petrified. Walking across this bridge. Petrified, say. Little fishies in there? No fishies. Okay. Oh God, I made it. Alright, like I said, there's not much to it, so.
I just made the we were
trying to be all quiet and stuff. Here you are making nos. Here is the cafeteria. Don't let the door slam. Very cool. It looks pretty hazardous in here, and I know the exit's right over there, so we're just gonna keep it here. But everything's still here. Everything's still intact. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. We're here in Louisiana, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this beautiful abandoned water park. If you guys would like to see more, please leave it in the comments below, and like and subscribe. See you next time.